So in this video, we're going to go over your Autoship and show you how to sign up for that. And I've already logged into my back office, my J office. And to set up your Autoship, you simply click here on the Autoship menu, and it will take you in to the process of setting up your Autoship. Now, there's a couple of important reasons why you need to be on an Autoship, particularly if you are joining Jeunesse to build a business, because one of the main requirements to be able to get paid each month to earn commissions is you have to generate a minimum of 60 points of commissionable volume, either by products that you purchase yourself or through personal customers who purchase enough products to meet that 60 points of commissionable volume. And if you're not sure about the volume points and so forth, I'd recommend you go to the lesson about compensation plan and watch those videos on that page about the compensation plan. I'll give you more details about commissionable volume and points and so forth. But as a business owner, you need to maintain a 60 CV each month to be able to qualify to get paid. And in addition to that, the total team commission points that you accumulate in your teams, if you don't have meet that 60 point minimum each month, then any excess points that would normally roll over into the next month will flush away. And that can be a very bad thing if you happen to have a team with a lot of points on it. So you want to be very aware that you get set up on Autoship right away so that you meet that minimum 60 CV each month so you can get paid and so that you keep those points from flushing. And there's more information below this video about that. If you want to read up on that, you can do so. So here I am in the Autoship management page after I clicked on the Autoship menu, and there are three types of Autoship. There's a normal Autoship, which can be either conditional or unconditional. I'll talk about that in a minute. And you can do a prepaid Autoship. Now for this video, we're just going to look at the conditional, unconditional Autoship. The prepaid Autoship is very similar in terms of how you set it up. So I'm going to click on normal monthly Autoship to set this up. And the first thing I have at the top is the type, whether it's unconditional or conditional. I'm going to set this up as unconditional, which means I will get this Autoship every single month without fail. A conditional Autoship means that I have an Autoship set up and configured, and if I don't meet my minimum 60 through either other purchases that I make or through customer volume, then it will ship out. If I do meet the 60, then it won't ship out. So you can read up more on that here on the page. But for this tutorial, we're going to assume we're doing an unconditional Autoship. And as I scroll down here, the first two things I have to do is tell it whether I'm going to pick it up at the office. So if you live in Florida, you could have that option. Most of us will have to say no, please ship it to me. And then I have to check this box saying that I understand that I'm signing up for an Autoship. If you don't do these two items first, if you try to add items to your Autoship, it won't add because you need to have these two items checked first. And you can see here up at the top, there's nothing in my Autoship cart right now. So I've checked those two items. I'm going to come down here and look at the products that I can choose from, keeping in mind that I want to accumulate a minimum of 60 CV. So for example, I could choose an AM/PM Essentials for $89.95, which would meet my 60 CV requirement. So if I wanted to do that and just order one set of AM/PM Essentials, I would just click this Add button right here, and it will add that to my Autoship. And you can see here that it has added that one item to my Autoship. Now if that's all I wanted to do and I was done, I would scroll all the way down here and choose Update Credit Card to plug in my payment information. Now it may already have your credit card on file. If you've signed up, it will retain that credit card information for you to come in and set up your first Autoship. Okay? But after that point, if you clear out your Autoship, which is what I've done in this case, I cleared it out just for this demo, then not only does it empty out your Autoship products up here, but it also clears out the payment information. So if you come in and you're editing your auto ship, just like this note says right here, and you delete everything off your auto ship and then add some new items, it will, as soon as it goes to no items in your auto ship cart, then the credit card information disappears as well. So if you have an auto ship set up and you just want to make some changes, add the new products first and then remove the products you don't want, so there's always at least one item in your auto ship cart. That way you won't have to re-enter all of your credit card information. Okay, but if that does happen, like in my case here, I've done that, so my credit card stuff is not on file. You'll just hit this update credit card, go to that screen, plug in your credit card information, billing address, and so on and so forth, and finish out your order. Now I'm not going to do that in this tutorial, just in the interest of time, but that's how that credit card option would work. If you're using the wallet, you can check the box here to use your wallet funds first if there are wallet funds available, rather than you taking it on your credit card, or you can do partial payment, so forth. So you've got a couple different options there for how you're going to pay for it. Now, before we leave this, though, I want to scroll down and show you a few more things about your auto ship options. So all of the products that we have at Jeunesse are available for auto ship, and there's a few other items in here that you might be interested in as well. There are 2 items that you can add to your auto ship for the Jeunesse kids. You can make a donation. You can make a $5 or a multiple of $5 monthly donation to Jeunesse kids, and you can make a $100 or multiples of $100 donations as a Jeunesse Kids membership, which goes towards the latest project. Right now, it's Adopt a Village. That's being done with Free the Children Foundation. So, a couple of options there if you want to donate. Those donations do not carry any CV value, as you can see, CV of 0. It's just a convenient way if you would like to donate to those causes on a regular basis. You can set it up right here inside your auto ship. The next thing I want to point out is the Get To promotion option here in your auto ship. Now, if you're not familiar with the Get To promotion, there's a link below this video that will take you to a page with more information about that. But if you want to participate in that program, then you need to have an unconditional auto ship set up, and you need to add this item to your auto ship. You'll notice that the cost of this item is 0. It won't cost you anything, but it's the way that you indicate to the computer that you want to participate, and you have to have an unconditional auto ship in order to qualify for that program. And again, you can go to the link below this video and learn more about that program. So if I wanted to participate in that, I would click on the Add button for the Get To promotion, and it will add that to my auto ship cart, and then I will be qualified to participate in that program. Okay, you can see right here on my cart now I've got the AM/PM Essentials, and I've got the Get To promotion package or option selected. So if you don't do that and you do everything else for the Get To promotions, you won't qualify and you won't get the free product or the $50 payout. So if you're going to do that, you want to make sure you add it in here on an unconditional auto ship. It won't work on conditional or prepaid. A couple more things as I scroll down here that I want to show you. One thing I love about Jeunesse is they love to add value to people who are willing to go the extra mile. So if you look in here, you've got 3 package options that you can choose from. The first one is a Luminous package for $299.95, and if you add those up individually, the total of those products is actually $323.70. So you're getting more bang for your buck. If you're going to use the full line of Luminous products, you might as well get the package and save a few dollars. The same thing down here at the bottom for the Zen package deal. If you bought all those items separately, they'd be $209.75. So that's a better deal as well. And the killer deal is right here in the middle, the Youth Enhancement package. If you were to buy those items individually, their total cost is $437.80. So that package is a particularly marvelous savings for you if you want to get those products. So take a few minutes, go through the auto ship options, figure out what works for you, and make sure you get that auto ship set up and keep it set up so you can stay qualified to get paid and so you can keep those points from flushing. Now, if for some reason an auto ship doesn't go through, a payment doesn't work or something, or you forget to set it up, you will get an email, I believe 5 days before your points are about to flush, warning you that they are going to flush. And so and your sponsor will also get that email. So if you get that email, you want to take quick action because you've only got 5 days to resolve that issue. Otherwise, those points will flush. And if they do flush, unfortunately, there is absolutely no way to get those points back. So this is an important thing that you want to get it set up right away so that you qualify to get paid and earn commissions, and you'd keep those points from flushing. So once you have your auto ship set up the way you want, you've got all of the products that you're going to set up on your auto ship here in your cart, then you are good to go ahead and finish it. So you would click on either the update credit card or the create button and go forward and put in your payment information. So I'll just click that just to show you. We set this auto ship up, and in just a moment it will take me to the payment screen where I would finish filling out my payment information, well, my shipping information, and then the next screen is about the billing information, credit card, and so forth. So you would I'm not going to do that for the tutorial here, but you would go ahead and finish out your billing and payment information and submit that all, and your auto ship will be set up and you will be good to go.